Hello everyone, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Today we are going to make a very unique recipe called Singhade ke aate ka halwa. Singhade ka atta is basically water chestnut flour.
Yes, correct. And this halwa is widely used during religious fasts or vrat in India. So let us see how to make this tasty halwa. Hey, but before that, we need to do something. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive notifications from us. So to make this halwa, we have taken 1 cup singade ka atta or water chestnut flour, 1 cup sugar, but if you find it too sweet, you can take even 3/4 cup sugar. Adjust the quantity of sugar according to your taste. And here we have also taken half a cup ghee or clarified butter. We have freshly melted butter and made this ghee. We have taken a combination of nuts, finely chopped them for garnish, and 1 teaspoon cardamom powder or elaichi powder. So now in a pan, we have taken that 1 cup sugar and added 1 cup water to it. We have heated it and we are going to stir only until the sugar just dissolves. There is no need to make any sticky syrup.
In the meanwhile, I'm greasing a tray with some ghee and keeping it ready in order to set the halwa. In another pan, let's heat the half cup of ghee, and to this let's add the Singhade ka atta. We've switched off the flame and let's just mix this ghee along with the Singhade ka atta for just about 10 seconds. After mixing it well, we can switch on the flame again, but on a low flame, we need to stir this atta with the ghee for about 12 minutes till it changes color. So you have to be very careful and constantly keep stirring it so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. So as you can see, the sugar is now dissolved in the water. So let's keep the sugar syrup aside, continue the stirring. Once the Singhade ka atta changes color, we can add the sugar syrup to it. And along with that, we are also adding 2 cups of warm water. And the flame has to be low even now. And let's mix this again. Keep stirring. Now the mixture is thickening. We can increase the flame to medium or high, and we have to continue stirring this. You can see how nice this consistency is becoming. Let's add in the elaichi powder and mix it in. Our Singhade ka atta is now ready because there's no moisture left in this, so we've switched off the flame and let's transfer it to the tray that we had greased earlier. Look at the color, it's so beautiful. It's golden brown in color. Now using a spoon, let's just set this halwa and also garnish it with our chopped nuts. After 20 minutes, the mixture has cooled down a bit and now we can cut it into pieces. Awesome Singhade ke aate ka halwa is all ready, and Mahashivratri is around the corner, and this is a perfect recipe for your vrat or fast. If you like this, please try it out and give us a feedback. Thank you.